Here I have PANASONIC Eluga i3 and let me show you top tricks on the following device. So at the very beginning let me start with the screen recorder. So the Panasonic has built-in screen recorder. If you would like to find this, let's just scroll down and choose here the screen recorder. This is really the screen recorder, so now you can just use this rec button and start recording your screen. So here you go to the timer, you can pause it or you can stop it, and as you can see you can save the recording if you would like to. Here you can also use more key and change voice quality. You can also select here the recording mode, it could be normal, meeting or lecture. And as you can see here you can tap the recording file list and you can play your recording. That's it. Let's go for the second trick. So let me show you here the turbo download. Let's use the apps icon, choose settings, let's tap the turbo download right here under wireless and network. And as you can see, you can download larger files by using both Wi-Fi and 4G or 3G network at the same time. Let me just enable the switcher. Let's turn on mobile data to do it. Of course you need to have some card, but basically this is really easy. Just enable this mode and now you can use the turbo download. Here you can also use more key and get some help if you would like to. Let's go next and let me show you the third trick. So let me show you how to easily change the navigation bar. It could be really useful if your navigation bar isn't in the right place. Let's just find and select display, choose navigation bar settings, and now you can switch the position to have the back key right here. Alright, let's go next. And now let me show you the next tricks. So the guest mode. So let's find out the users is under device. Let's tap users. As you can see now you are in the owner mode, but you can switch into guest mode. Now that the device is changing modes, now you are in a guest mode and now you can use your device as the guest, so you can have disabled a few features, for example some changes, removing files and other stuff. And if you would like to go back to a normal mode to the owner, let's just tap settings again. Wait a few seconds. Scroll down and let's choose here the users and let's tap on the owner and the device is switching to owner. That's it. Let's go for the next trick. Let me show you some easy but really useful things. So the scheduled power on and off. If you would like to switch on your device, for example every day at 7 AM, you can do it right here. You can for example also use the scheduled power off. For example, you can switch off your device at 10 PM every day. Just choose here the exact date, tap OK, choose the day weeks, let me choose all week, so let me click all of them, tap OK, let's tap done, and we just enable the following feature. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.